Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the correct tool. A front loader with a dirt bucket or shovel. This matters because tool choice sets capacity and pickup angle. Drive to a targeted soil patch and lower the bucket slowly. If the ground looks darker or granular, press the scoop key and move forward steadily. Once you feel resistance, lift slightly to trap material, then retract backward to break suction. Make sure to watch the bucket level to avoid overfilling. After grabbing soil, fill the bucket to about 80%. This prevents drops when turning. Tilt the bucket back to secure the load, then drive slowly, ideally at 15 km/h, especially on slopes or uneven ground. If moving to a storage area, keep the bucket low to maintain a low center of gravity, and use the vehicle's cruise or creep mode to steady your movement. Once near the drop point, lower the bucket and prepare the release sequence so the dirt unloads cleanly. To unload, position precisely over the target area and open the bucket slowly so material spreads rather than piles. This gives better coverage. For even layers, make several small dumps while driving a short distance between each. This avoids deep ruts. If dirt clings to the bucket, rock it gently or use a quick lift-lower cycle to shake loose. If that fails, swap to a flat blade or use a light water spray if the game supports it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.